Welcome back to Form Fixer, Train Smarter, Lift Stronger, and today we're diving into the lunge, one of the best lower body exercises for building strength, balance, and coordination. But here's the catch. It's easy to make mistakes that strain your knees or throw off your balance. And in this video, I'll show you how to fix the 3 most common lunge mistakes so you can perform them safely and effectively. Let's perfect your lunge form and level up your training. First up, common mistake number 1, your knee tracking over your toes. Letting the front knee move too far forward puts excessive strain on the knee joint and reduces activation of the glutes and hamstrings. So the first cue to fix, you want to keep your knee stacked. Focus on keeping the front knee directly above your ankle as you lunge. You also want to step further back. If your knee is moving forward, take a slightly larger step backward or forward depending on your starting stance. And lastly, you want to drop straight down. Lower your body vertically rather than leaning forward, keeping your chest upright and your weight balanced. And next up, common mistake number 2 is uneven weight distribution. And this is a problem because putting too much weight on either the front or back leg reduces stability and muscle engagement, increasing the risk of imbalance or injury. So you want to press through both your legs. Push equally through the heel of your front foot and the ball of your back foot as you rise. Focus on engaging your glutes, squeezing your glutes on both sides to stabilize the movement. And don't forget to check your balance. Ensure your hips stay level throughout the lunge, avoiding tilting forward or backward. Okay, so up to the last one, common mistake number 3, short or overextended stride. This is a problem because a stride that's too short reduces range of motion and limits muscle activation, while one that's too long compromises balance and control. So we want to find the sweet spot. We want to aim for a stride where your front shin stays vertical and your back knee hovers just above the ground when you lower. You will want to maintain your stability, so you take a deliberate step, keeping your balance steady before moving into the lunge. And finally, test your stance. Pause at the bottom of the lunge and adjust if your knees or hips feel unstable. Thank you for watching Form Fixer, Train Smarter, Lift Stronger. Now that you've mastered your lunge form, you're ready to build strength with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which exercise you'd like to see in the next series. Let's keep lifting smarter, and I'll see you in the next one.